All right, so now we're looking at finding the equation of a straight line using the gradient intercept form. As you remember, the equation of a line y is this: y equals mx plus c. M represents the gradient, c represents the y-intercept, and x represents the x-intercept. All right. So we've been given some information. We have an example here that tells us find the equation of a straight line with a gradient of 4 and a y-intercept of 3. So this one is very easy. It's just a matter of substitution. So we're going to say equation of a straight line. So we'll call this one part 1. So for part 1, the answer for part 1, equation of a straight line is y equals m, the gradient, which represents the slope, which talks about the rate of change or how steep the line is. X represents the x-intercept. This is the x-coordinate where the line cuts the x-axis. All right. The x-coordinate at the point where the line cuts the x-axis. Plus c, or y-intercept, the y-coordinate at the point where the line cuts our y-axis. Remember, this is how let me show this visually. So our x-intercept would be something like this. The line would cut the x-axis. So at this point, this x-coordinate, where the line is cutting the x-axis, that's the x-intercept. And then this point where the line is cutting the y-axis is the y-intercept. So for this, we've already got our gradient. It is 4. So I'm going to say replace m with 4. X plus our y-intercept is 3. So this is the equation of the line. Y equals 4x plus 3. Any questions on that one before we go to example 2, part 2 of the equation? Right, we go to part 2. So in part 2, they've given us the gradient, and notice we have now the x-intercept, not the y-intercept, but the x-intercept. So in such a scenario, the first thing that you need to do is you need to determine the y-intercept, which is c. All right, so you're going to say, we start with the basic equation, y equals mx plus c. All right, so we want to find the value of c. So remember, when we say the x-intercept, these are the coordinates of the point 1 and 0. All right, for our x-intercept of 1, this is the coordinate of that point. Our x-coordinate is 1, our y-coordinate is 0. All right, so we're going to put these 2 points into our equation. So y, you replace it with 0. Our gradient has already been given to us. It is 2. Our x-intercept is 1, so we're going to replace x with 1 plus c. So I want to find the value of c. So it's going to be 0 equals 2 times 1, that is 2. 2 plus c. So to get the value of c, we take this 2 over to the left-hand side. So c equals 0 minus 2. It gives us negative 2. So that is our y-intercept, negative 2. So once we've got our y-intercept, it's just a matter of substitution, right? So we write again the equation of the straight line, y equals mx plus c. Our gradient is 2, so you're going to say 2x. And our y-intercept is -2. So it's a 2x plus -2. Positive and negative make negative. So that's going to be 2x minus 2. So that's the equation of our line. Any questions? Are we clear with it? Do you have any questions?